Come test drive the 2019 Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control system, wheel covers, remote trunk release, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power steering, tilt steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.